GoPro. Cement City Man. Just grab it by hand. And what you're gonna do, just pinch it, twist it, and off it's gonna come. Need another day. This looked like orange. We're gonna pick that anyway. And we're gonna pick it because what's gonna happen is, you never know what's gonna happen the next time you come out. I'm just gonna twist it. And off it comes. I got one more to pick. Oh man. Is that a red or an orange? Anyway, we're gonna have peppers and sausages. Oh yeah. Twist and shout. There you go. That one's gonna stay. 3 awesome peppers from a seed. And look, more pepper, and more pepper, and more pepper, and more, and more, and another one. But yet, no lemon today. It's in a cage so it don't fall. Have a great day. Enjoy your pepper.